The all-new Mustang GT features a new air induction system with a dual air intake and dual throttle body design, minimizing induction losses and enabling higher flow rates. Up to 6 interactive and customizable drive modes optimize performance capabilities across a variety of driving conditions: normal, sport, slippery, drag, track 2, and a customizable setting with multiple available profiles, tailored to individual driver preferences. As each mode is selected, high-fidelity graphics in the digital instrument panel bring the mode to life. Driving responsiveness has been enhanced by reduced compliance from steering wheel to tire, while a quicker steering ratio enhances the new car's cornering dynamics. Rev matching, which holds engine revs when the clutch is engaged to retain peak torque between manual gear changes, is standard on GT, delivering even more precision and refinement in what is the most track-capable Mustang ever. The GT comes with a choice of Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission. A standard performance pack includes 19-inch alloy wheels, a sport limited slip differential for increased traction, 19-inch Brembo brakes, and an active valve exhaust that delivers adjustable engine sounds to suit the driving scenario. Optional MagnaRide registered trademark symbol 3 active suspension monitors conditions 1000 times per second and uses an electronically controlled fluid to match damping resistance to the road conditions. Most noticeable is the removal of Mustang's traditional double-brow upper dashboard, making way for a flowing, glass-clad open center stack, packed with technology. Behind the new, thicker, flat-bottomed steering wheel sits a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster, which can be customized to display different designs, and new, customizable, drive mode-dependent clusters, fresh for the new model. This digital instrument cluster flows seamlessly into a 13.2-inch SYNC4 center stack 4 behind the same piece of integrated glass, angled towards the driver. The ergonomic positioning of these screens provides clear visual information and easy-to-reach controls, which together create an immersive digital experience. Mustang's fully customizable cockpit clusters and interior ambient startup in copper and dark colors, in a similar theme used for the Mustang Mach-E SUV, and can be entirely user-configurable. Cluster displays and ambient interior lighting can be configured in the customer's chosen tones, while instrument clusters adapt to the drive mode selected. When choosing personalized drive mode settings, a visualization of the car's setup is displayed on the center stack using Unreal Engine 3D software, a computer gaming engine that produces real-time renderings. By interacting with the touch screen, the vehicle settings can be adjusted, swiping the graphic to rotate the car virtually.